Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download your multiple attachment in Gmail at one click. So let's go to Gmail first. Log into your Gmail account. Okay, let's click the first email. You can see here there are three pictures. I'm gonna download these three pictures in one click, or three attachment you can say. So what you can do is you'll find here this icon, download all attachment. Just click on this, simple, and then choose your destination or file path from here, and you can start download. Okay, let's open the folder now. Here's the folder in zip folder. Okay, so you can extract this and you can use this. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.